Do you ever find yourself wasting time on distracting websites, like YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, when you should be working? Here's the good news. You can block any website on your computer without installing any software. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step, fast, simple, and 100% free. The trick is hidden inside something called the hosts file on Windows. This file lets your system control which websites can or can't be accessed. By editing it, you can make certain sites completely unreachable, even if you try to open them in any browser. It's like putting up a digital wall between you and your biggest distractions. Here's how to do it. 1. Click Start Type. Notepad. Right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. 2. In Notepad, click File Open, then navigate to this location. C:/Windows/32/drivers/etc/. 3. In the bottom right, select All Files, then open the file named Hosts. 4. Scroll to the bottom and add a new line for each website you want to block. For example, 127.0.0.1facebook.com, 127.0.0.1www.facebook.com. This tells your computer to redirect that site back to itself, making it unreachable. Once you've added all the sites you want to block, click File Save, then close Notepad. Now open your browser and try visiting one of those websites. You'll see that it won't load, no matter which browser you use. To unblock it later, simply go back to the hosts file and delete those lines. It's completely reversible, so don't worry. This method works on all browsers: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, you name it. And the best part? It doesn't require any extensions or apps that slow your computer down. It's built right into Windows itself. If you're on a Mac or Linux system, you can do the same thing. The hosts file exists there too, just in a slightly different path. So, whether you want to stay focused, protect your kids from certain sites, or just block annoying content, this is the easiest and fastest way to do it. No downloads, no software, just a simple tweak that works like magic. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.